is in my line of duty. I'm just gushing from the mouth of a fool. This is like a truly. The Rumsky orc, you're even more annoying than Porky. I don't need to hear rhymes to prove that you're corny. Just listen. That's just nausea when I spill my guts to leave you smash. All I need's a roll of German to leave for your burglar trash. Tearing up is from my stench and never your medley. This opera man offended is neither silent nor deadly.
I am the great mighty Pooh, and I am going to throw my shit at you. This verse stinks, seems we both need our deck reflex. Flow up plunge into slinging some scat as I brag and flex. Keeping zombies, but not your rhymes alive, now that's funny. So I'm exploiting your weakness, you know I'm fly, honey. Just let me grab some sawdust to clean up what you've upchucked. You shitty little tag nut, you think I inside these guys. Got in your throat when you bite off more than you can chew. No need for Starstone to let a second beat down by Pooh.